Hi, and welcome back to Learning Irish with Stories. It's been quite a while since I've made a video. Life has a way of getting in the way, but I'm really happy to be back, and I have a few stories lined up. So let's get into it. So today's story is Ní haon, saighdiúir, mise, and this is a story by Siobhan McGarrald. There are 4 different chapters, and we'll do the first chapter today. We'll go through it in Irish all, and then we'll come back, go through it in a mixture of Irish and English, point out the grammar, and we'll do the other chapters afterwards. So let's begin. So Caibidil a haon. Bhí sé 10 chlog nar tháinig mammy a bhaile. Cá bhfuil gearóid sise le daddy? Ní dheacha mé le tamala sa daddy. Seans go bhfuil sé fós os cóir na telefíse. Chuaigh mammy is seach sa somer sitse, agus chonig sí go raibh an ceart ag daddy. Bhí gearóid fós os cóir na telefíse. Nach bhfuil sé thar agad sa bheith sa labba sa mammy leis. Achas málam an chláir seo a bhamí sa gearóid. Bheidh sé thart taobh istead an leabhar clig. Isteach le daddy an sin. Nach bhfuil cluiche amána agat sa amárach sisin le gearóid. Tá sa gearóid, díreach tar éis na scoile. Well, bardit dal a chola inis na bheidh tú tuirseach amárach sa mammy. Ní mó ná sásta a bhí gearóid. A chawami sisin. Ná bach le dach sa mammy agus chuir sí as an telefís. Íhawa sa gearóid, agus is isteach leis ina cheanna cuidilte. Nuair a bhí gearóid isteach sa labba, thosaigh sé ag léamh. Bhí is spéis ag sa leabhar ach bhí sé tuirseach. Ní raibh léite ag a chúpla na hana nuair a hit an leabhar as sa lámh. Bhí gearóid ina choladh sámh. Tar éis tamil tháinig mammy isteach. Íhawa sise, ach níor agar gearóid í. Bhí sé ina choladh sámh. That's the end of chapter 1. Let's go back and go through it now. So, bhí sé a 10 chlog. So, 10 is 10, 10 chlog, 10 o'clock. It was the 10 o'clock, it was 10 o'clock. Nuair a tháinig mammy a bhaile. So, when mammy came to home. So, baile in Irish is home or town, but a bhaile is like to home. And it's just one word. Cá bhfuil gearóid. So, tá gearóid sa chistin, but when you're asking a question, it'll be used will. So, cá bhfuil gearóid. Sise le daddy. Normally, you would say sa someone. She said. But here, because of shisha, we don't use sa. Instead, we just reduce it to but it still means the same thing. So it doesn't mean on. It just means said. She said to daddy. And in Irish, you always say something with someone. Ní dheacha mé le tamala. I didn't see with time him. So I haven't seen him for some time. Seans go bhfuil sé. So chance is just chance or maybe. So chance that he is, maybe he is, fós still, os chóir, so in front of, and in front of, so of requires the genitive, so nat telefíse. So on telefís, but then in the genitive, nat telefíse. So it's not plural, it's just using the genitive. Hui mammy isteach. So mom went in, sa somer sitse, in the sitting room, agus chonig sí, and she saw go raibh an ceart ag daddy. So an ceart being the right. So the right, she saw that the right was at daddy. So this is kind of like French or German in the sense that you don't say, yeah, you are right. You say, yeah, you have the right. So in Irish too, tá an ceart agad. So chonig sí go raibh an ceart ag daddy. Bhí gearóid fós os cóir na telefíse. Nach bhfuil sé thar So you might recognize as time. Har is over time, or isn't it past the time? Nach will. So you might know on will, and nach will would just be a negative question, kind of like isn't it? Isn't it over time? Isn't it past time for you? A bheith salaba. So a bheith is to be. A bheith salaba. Achas malam an tlarsha. But is malam I like, or is preferable, is good with me and tlarsha, this program. Avami. So here we have the H here because he's using the vocative cases when you are speaking directly to someone. So you might have someone called Ben, and then if you're speaking directly to them, you say aven. So mami, avami. Beishe hart tevistid a lahor and plig. So beishe, it will be heart over. Tevistjite, so within or inside of. It's kind of side in of. Lahor and plig, within half an hour. It'll be over within a half an hour. Shachla daddy and shin. Then daddy came in. Nachwil tliha amana agatse. So don't you have a game of hurling tomorrow? Ta. Dirach tareish na skula. So dirach is just or right. Tareish na skula. So again here this is genitive because tareish takes the genitive. You can think of it not maybe meaning after, but more meaning like in the wake of. So directly in the wake of school. So that's why we're using the genitive here. Well, bar ditch. So this is a similar construction to isma. It's using the copula, but because it's kind of conditional, it's kind of like, well, it would be preferable. It would be good for you to go asleep now. No beitu tersha kamar. Beitu. You will be tired tomorrow. You could also say no be tersha, earth amarach. Nimona sasta avi. So nimona sasta is a kind of expression just to say someone was not one bit pleased. So you could say nimona sasta atom. I'm not one bit pleased. Nimona sasta avi garod. Achawami air session. So again here we're not using ersa but air. Na bachla da ach. So ach, you might know, means but. Na bach, don't bother or don't start. Don't start with your but. Agus churshi as in television. She put off the television. She turned off the television. Many verbs like to turn off something we don't have in Irish, so we kind of combine it with something like put. You put something off. Ihoa, good night. Ersa garod, agus struck lesh. And in with him, in he went, in a Hiomra Kulta. So here we have the Shevu, because it's his room. So in with him, in his room, in a Hiomra Kulta. This inna here is really two words, I, in, and a, his. But we combined them together and used the N just to make it easier to say, so inna. If it was her room, it would also be inna, but we wouldn't say Hiomra. It would be just Shomra without the Shevu. Naravi Garod is Chisalaba when he was inside in the bed. Chosishe Iglev, he started reading. He on a space ega salaur. He had lots of interest in the book, Achvishe Tershak, but he was tired. Nirev Leche ega ach. So he had but read a few pages, Kubla Lahnach, nor the hitch and lower as Salah, when the book fell out of his hand. So this is a bit of an Irish expression. Ni rev leich ega, he had but read a few pages. I suppose in other countries you would probably say he had only read a few pages. We use ach or but instead of only. Vigarod and a chalagasav, he was asleep soundly. Teresh Tamil, Hanig Mami is Jack. So after a while, this word Tamil again, if you remember we had it earlier with Niakame let Tamil I hadn't seen him in a while. So here again, after, in the wake of a while, Hanig Mami is Jack. Ihawa shisha. Ach niragar Gerod I, but Gerod didn't answer her. So frager is the verb to ask. In the past, niragar. Vishe in a kolagas soft. And that's the end of today's chapter. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back next week. It's really nice to be making stories in Irish again after such a long time. I've also started something new. So on September 1st, I am opening a small 4-week Irish learning community on a platform called School. The idea is really simple. I want to create something where you get to use Irish every day. So it could be a short story, a picture, a question, or a little challenge. So it'll give you a chance to practice your reading and writing, and you'll also have a relaxed live Irish conversation class at the end of every week. It's €25 for the whole 4 weeks, and I'd love to have you there as a founding member. I'd love to learn what you like and don't like. You will find the description below if you're interested. And if you enjoyed today's story, please make sure you subscribe. There are more stories coming soon, and go to Mila Magad.